You've probably heard of stock trading before, but most prop firms, including the one I trade with, aren't stocks. They're called futures. So let's talk the difference between the two. What are stocks? So stocks is when you buy a stock, you're buying a tiny piece of ownership of that company. Apple, Tesla, whatever it may be, you own that share until you sell it. And there's no expiration. You can hold it forever. Futures are a little different. A futures contract is an agreement to buy or sell something like the NASDAQ index, oil, gold, silver, corn at a set price on a set future date. You're not buying ownership of the company. You're trading that contract on where you think the price is going to be at a certain time, okay? The one I trade is called NQ, which is for the NASDAQ 100 futures contract. So it tracks the same 100 companies as the NASDAQ index in the stock market, but you're trading the contract, not the individual stocks. The key differences that matter is one, futures trade almost 24 hours a day. So for futures trading, they open, I'm on Central Standard Time, so they open Sunday night around 5 o'clock Central Standard Time, and they're open until that following Friday around 3:30. So 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, not 24/7, okay? Number two, futures use leverage, meaning you can control a lot bigger contract value than the cash you put up, which cuts both ways now. Bigger potential gains, but bigger potential losses. So, it can go up or down, good or bad. And number three, contracts expire and roll over periodically, unlike a stock that you can hold indefinitely. So this is why prop firms and futures trading go hand in hand. The leverage in around the clock market lets you trade meaningful size on a funded account without needing your own large capital, okay? Which ties right back to where we covered in the last video of what is a prop firm. So that's the basics of stocks and futures, okay? Next up, I'm going to break down what NQ NASDAQ is and why traders like it. So subscribe so you don't miss out.